Hi, Jared. Happy birthday. This is a little project that I decided to do with the kids. I wrote out all these 29 things that I like about you, and we decorated each one. So they're going to introduce each little thing that I like about you. Here's to you. Happy birthday.
29 things Tiffany loves about Jared, decorated by the children.
Reason number 1. Say how funny you are. Good. Reason number 2. That you like dirty rock just as much as I do. Good job. Reason number 3. Your Sunday school teaching skills.
Good job, Jen.
Reason number 4. How smart you are about lots of things.
Good job. Lots of things.
Lots of things. Reason number 5. You're a real man's man. I love the manliness. You swim upon you swimming.
The manliest pond. You can see that one's overly decorated.
I can barely read it.
Love it.
Okay. Reason number 6. Reason number 6. Okay. That you like to snowboard so much. I love your activeness and that you're down for anything.
Good job.
Ready? Reason number 7. Your spiritual depth I love and admire.
Good job. This is our DJ as he has iPod in hand. Wicka, wicka.
You can hold it.
Go.
Oh, reason number 8. You will do anything for anyone at the drop of a dime. Even mid cuddle sesh with a girl.
Good job. Let's check that one out. Bam! Thanks, Teddy.
Reason number 9. Reason number 9.
How about reason number 9?
You can fix cars and get dirty.
Dirty. Good job.
Okay, reason number 10. Humble pie. You eat it? You must.
Yes, you must.
Reason number 11.
Reason number 11.
You can cook and bake and you're good at it.
Good job. Good job.
Reason number 12.
Reason number 12.
how
how
social
social
and
and
friendly
friendly
you
you
are.
are.
Good job, thank you. Okay, reason number 13.
Part number. Reason number 13.
Listen number 13.
You
You
are
are
driven
driven
and motivated.
motivated.
But it says apple motivated.
Driven and apple motivated. Apple tree.
Okay, reason number 14.
Listen number 14.
You
You
are
are
extremely
Extremely
self-aware
self-aware
and
and
you
you
set
set
goals.
goals.
Good job.
Let's see. Oh, is it playing? Okay, reason number 15. Reason
number 15.
the way
The way
you
you
stand
stand
with
with
one
one
leg
leg
popped.
pop.
Okay, reason number 16.
Reason number 16.
You're
Your
inclusive
inclusive
and
and
inviting,
inviting,
also
also
real
well
good
good
at
at
party
party
hosting.
hosting.
Good job.